I am Noor from HOYIST.com, and in today's video we are going to see how you can purchase web hosting from HOYIST. For the current period, we have a Black Friday sale on our website and there is a 85% discount. So click on the get started button, or you can come to the menu and then go to the web hosting page. Same plan are listed on the web hosting page. So there are 4 plans that comes with a different feature. Starter plan come with the feature of creating 3 websites, Pro with the 10, Elite with the 100, and Business with the 200 website plan. Okay, the difference between all these plan, there is a lot of difference between all 4 of these plan. There's a difference between server speed. There's a difference between server location, different servers. Now the starter and the pro plan come with the same server, but the elite and design plan come with a different server, and the both server. This server is way faster than these two plan server. But I'm not saying these asset will like a turtle speed, but both 4 of these plan will have the same speed, but there is a difference between these two plan and these two plan because they are different, hosted on a different and a very powerful server. So the business plan actually come with a lifetime free domain name. If you have a good budget and you want a domain name for the lifetime, you don't want to continuously check if your domain is expired or not, so you don't want that hassle on your mind, so you can just continue with the business plan. But most of the people won't have the good budget, and we started host on base of this, so everybody would be able to purchase a hosting in the market. So people would be able to purchase a hosting easily. Okay, so for the current period, if you have low budget, you can continue with a starter plan or a pro plan. But my minimum, but if I would suggest you or recommend you can continue with the elite plan. It would be better to continue with this plan. Okay, now I want to show you guys why you have to choose HOYIST.com first. Now we offer 14 days money back guarantee as per our terms. Then our server has all our server NVMe powered, and we didn't use any kind of SSD, simple usual set SSDs. We use only NVMe servers to host our we usually offer NVMe server. There is no any, I think there is no hosting service listed at HOYIST with the SLV, the default set SSD servers. Okay, we offer 99.99% uptime guarantee, and you have an option to take daily backups. On the system automatically take daily backups and monthly backup, but you can also check up and take backups whenever you want. Okay, so why you choose us? The reason why we offer free DDoS protection and a powerful firewall. If someone attacks on your website, it will ban your website after 3 times. For example, if someone is attacking to log in into your cPanel, it will ban the IP for the 3 times, and that IP will be banned forever. For example, if you lost your password and you try 3 times for the cPanel, your IP is banned. You can come to us and we will unban your IP on request of you. Okay, we offer ultra fast feature speed. Your pages will load ultra fast. Then we offer free SSL certificate. Of course, we use SSL Lightspeed technology on our server. That's why the pages load ultra fast. Then as per, we offer 99.9% uptime guarantee. And of course, the email is compulsory, is fixed with all the hosting plans. So we are offering professional email for free with 0 code. Now we are using Subtablist also on our web cPanel, so you can install WordPress or any tool with just 1 click. We offer spam protection. Your mail will not go to the spam. In some cases, a mail will go, but maximum chances your mail doesn't drop into the client's spam section. Okay. Now our all the domains offer our all the domains or the hosting come with a free SSL connection. Your SSL will be installed automatically, but in some cases you need to have to install SSL in a manual way. So you can just click on there is a one click only one SSL installation in the cPanel is actually just 1 click. You just need to go to the SSL page, then click on the SSL installation button, and your SSL will be installed within less than 1 second. Okay, then we offer free website builder with our all the hosting plan, with our WordPress hosting plan, and we reseller hosting all plans. And of course, with the website builder, we also offering the same shared hosting plan. Here's a web hosting plan and website builder. Okay. Now, our web hosting comes with a developer hosting. If you are a developer, startup developer, if you have low budget, you can continue with our any plan. We offer all these developer feature and more features that come with a default cPanel. Okay, and we offer free website migration. Okay, Now come on. Now we are on the compare our plan feature. You can click on this button, compare plan feature. It will land you to here, or you can just scroll down. Okay. The starter and the pro plan come with the same server, but the elite and the business plan come with a different server. There is a lot of difference between these two server and these two server, but I'm not saying, I'm again saying that this website will not load live a turtle. You know what I'm trying to say. Okay, this will load ultra fast, but there will be a difference between, because they are high paying plans and this server are highly optimized, but these server are little bit less than little bit slow than the two server. I would suggest you guys to continue with the elite plan. Let me tell you why. Now, all of these plan come with the 2 CPU cores, and these two plans, from the starter and the pro plan, come with a 2 GPU plan, and the elite and the business plan come with a 4 GPU plan. 4 GB of RAM with this plan and 2 GB of RAM with this plan. And the other inodes, we do not count inode. We do not have any functionality to count your inode on our hosting, so we didn't allow this. On the starter and the pro plan, the support is basic. So you know what I'm trying to say here. Okay, that's why I suggested you guys to continue with elite plan, at least because it comes with 4 GB of RAM, 2 CPU 4. You will be able to create 100 websites, and then priority, and then lifetime free domain name. Now when it comes to having a lifetime free domain name and you don't want that hassle on your mind, you can continue with the business plan, because this is a very big issue. People register their domain name, create their websites from their developer, and now off they are off. Okay, they list their website on any place they want, on Google Marketplace or any place. Now after 1 year, when their domain is expired, now you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, guys, if you don't want the domain hassle, you know, you want your domain will be renewed automatically, you can continue with the business plan. Okay, now with the security and reliability, the server of the starter and pro plan, there is a difference between all the server. Of course we will set this difference, because we have to manage our cost and we have to manage the servers also. So the starter and pro plan have a bit low server, as per I said, but the elite plan come with a 25x faster plan than all two these plans, and the business plan come with a 35% faster. Okay, this is generally there will be a difference between all these server. The server are same. I'm not saying the server are different, but there is a difference between the feature that we are allowed the plan. And these all plan come with the with all this plan, like Immunify 360 protection, web firewall, malware, light speed, malware detection. Every single thing is included in these plan. Okay, for the email features, these two emails come with the 1024 MB per email limit, and the elite plan and business plan come with the unlimited limit. To the elite plan, you can create 100 account, and with business you can create 200 account. Okay, the other feature you can shape on the website. And for the developer feature, as I said, there are almost all web hosting there are almost all hosting what I'm trying to say, there are almost all features that we support. Okay, so for now I'm continuing with the elite plan. Just click on order now button. Now you have next option is this: you have to choose a domain name for the hosting service, because you have until unless you have a domain name, you didn't have a domain name, you wouldn't be able to continue. So on the register page, just enter your domain name. Like for example, you I'm just entering your demo domain. My domain is my domains is great. Now this domain is available. You can register .com from us, or you can continue with any other provider. If you have any domain from other provider, if you want to transfer to us, you know, if you're continuing with a business plan and if you don't want that hassle or all the thing, you can continue with this brand. But if you want to register, you can just click on the continue button, or if you want, you can scroll down. There are many suggestions available, like .in domain, in .ca domain. We have more than 500 TLDs and we are working on it. In a few days you will also be seeing in a few days or a month, we were trying to be, before 2025 we will list more than 1000 domains on our website. Okay, you can purchase any of these domain if you want. Scroll down, and you know there, now scroll to the up. If you want to transfer your domain name, just enter your domain name. Let's suppose you have registered this domain name with another provider and you want to transfer this domain name. Okay, here you can see this come with the .com extension, so you have to select .com here. If this come with the UK, you need to select UK from here. If this comes with a .in domain name, you have no I have to find, no, you have to set here a .in domain name. Let me see, can't find, but .in domain are listed on our website. Let me check. They're here. Okay, if it comes with any extensions, you have to check here. If any extension is not available here and you still want to transfer your domain name at HOYIST, you just need to call our customer support or text them on our WhatsApp, or just drop a ticket support. We will list that domain extension here. Okay, because there are tons of extension in the market and we cannot list all of them due to some purpose. Now, if you want to use your own domain name, you want your domain name will be hosted on another provider, and you want to host your website here at HOYIST, so you can continue to use your own domain. No, I want to continue with this domain name .store. Okay, you can enter yes dot or not. Okay, I'm not entering. Now click on the use button. It would select your domain name. Now the next option is select your billing cycle. You have to choose your billing cycle. Now all these plans are already discounted. There are no discount available more than these plan. So I'm continuing with the annual plan. I would suggest you guys to continue with annual plan. If you don't have a good budget, you can continue with the monthly. But if you want to continue, literally, if you want that, you know what I'm trying to say. If you would continue with the annual plan, you don't need to come back and back again to renew again. Okay, just click on the continue button. Now you have, and now you are landed on the review and checkout page. If you have a country text implemented on your country, select here, and then you have to choose the tax. Otherwise, if you don't want to pay the tax, you can continue because this belongs to your country, not to us. Okay. Now we actually don't charge any tax on based on the country. We have a fixed 3.99% tax on all the countries. Whether you are living in United States, whether you are living in any country of the world, whether you are living in Arab, India, Pakistan, Indonesia, Bangladesh, any country, we have a fixed 3.99% this tax. Okay, we actually charge this tax to manage our team. Okay. Next is this. If you already have if you are already have a customer, you just need to put your email and password, and you would be able to log in. But if you want to log in, if you don't have any account, you have to create your account at this page. Okay, so I'm going to enter my name, like my name is, and you can let me enter it. Okay, then you have to enter your email address. So let me copy this actually, because I actually forgot the email. You have entered your Gmail. Next thing you need to have, you need to enter a valid email phone number, because when you have this is the only one option. When you have entered your phone number here, you will not be able to change this number at any case. There is a fee to change this number. So remember to add your number here when you are checking out, and check this number again and again, because there is a fee you would be charged if you want to change this number. Okay, so for the current period, you, next thing, choose your number. I would suggest you guys to check this number 2 to 3 times, because there is no allows to change your number anytime. There is a fee if you want to change this number. So for the current period, I have my number already. Okay, now next you have to enter your company. So as I am the CEO, I'm entering my name. You are not allowed to enter your name as CEO of other legendary. You have to enter this as a perfect as you are. Okay, your street address 706, next to city. You can add any city. Now I'm going to leave this as blank because I'm not from a city. You can set any state. Next you have to set your state, then country. So leave United States. United States. Okay. Next let your hold on. And then your postal code. Okay. Next you have the option to create your password. Now you can click on the password generate button. But if you want to enter a custom password, you can also enter. But if you're looking for a strong password and a password that is not at all, may possible somebody want your password, or you know your password already, and you don't want to allow him to change your password, so you can enter your password here, or you can choose this. Okay, next option is this, that next option is the payment option. So you can, next option is a payment option, so you can select your payment option. We are from Pakistan. Now that's the address I have entered here is actually the United States address where I have registered my LLC company. So if you want, you can choose this address, or if you know, if from any country, you have to select the payment gateway. Now if you want to be able to pay from the debit card, you can select the bank transfer international, or you can select if from Pakistan you want to send us money via Pakistani bank accounts, you can also that, but I am going to continue with the debit card option. Okay, let me share the information one time. This is Suji. Now just click on the agree to term. Not it is required to read the terms. Please read this term before continue, because these are important terms. Okay, now click on the checkout button after checking this. It will take less than a minute to continue to create your account. Allow the system a second. Now the account is created. As per I said, our servers. Click on the continue payment. Now after you have completed your payment, click on the my account section to log in into your client area, or you can just enter / and then client area.php. Okay, now you are in the client area of HOYIST.com. My service is actually activated. You might be thinking of, if you have changed your choose the domain name, how you can connect it. So in the on the top bar section, click here and then go to the, let me see, email history. I'm opening this into a new tab, and here you will receive an email notification or your Gmail or new account information. Click to open the email. I'm going to complete it. I'm maximizing it. Here you can see our domain is marked now. This is our invoice. The next invoice is at 35. Actually, I have activated this one. Next is this. This is our domain name. This is the password to the cPanel. We can click here to login, but I would not suggest you guys to go with this link, because this link will come up with the let me see. It wouldn't come with the no, it's redirected. Sorry. Okay, this is your FTP server login detail. All the details have been given to you, and this is a mail detail, cPanel detail. All the details have been given to you in this mail. But we have added another interesting feature in our web hosting. When you will click on this the hosting product, just open this, you would be directed to this page, and here you can see, let me see, this is your server login information. Okay, this is your cPanel login information. This is your username, this is your password, this is your domain name, and this is of course the server, the server, what is called a server IP. Okay, there are few shortcuts which you can use. Okay, click on the login into cPanel button. Within a second, you will be redirected or sent to the cPanel login page. Now, as per I said, there is a free website builder that comes with our old web hosting, which is SiteJet Builder. It is actually a drag and drop website builder. Just skip it. No. You can see all the cPanel, all the information, 4 GB of RAM, the storage allowed per your plan, and the disk usage. Okay. Now, if you want to create with a website builder, just let me allow us. For give me a second. You can see here the SiteJet builder. I'm going to choose any of the first which is going to come. Now, there are many already created pre-templates you can use to create your website. You can see here. Now, personally, I would continue with this because I don't want to waste your time. I would continue with this. You can check any, there are thousands of them listed here actually. Okay, you can check any of them. Okay, choose. It will, it's loading. Same as the sitehub.io. Give it a minute. Okay, you can see here, press Ctrl+P to open a preview tab. Allow all cookies you can read, but allow all cookies. Now this is our actual site builder. You can create anything you want from this site builder. Okay, you can create it. This is only a site builder which comes with maximum responses, and you can set this on iPad Pro 11, 10 or Rashi. Okay, I'm going mobile. You can see on the mobile iPhone 13, Galaxy. No, tell me if there is any provider who is offering a site builder with this site builder, website builder, drag and drop website builder with these features. Okay, I'm going in the desktop feature. If you want to change the text, you can change also with, like, I want to SSSS, so you can remove it. You can, if you want to delete it, you can delete. I actually don't have any good yeah, you can delete it. Okay, but if you press that control gun, it will okay, you can click on the publish button now. Site is publishing. Allow it a few minutes. Okay, you can see here the details. These are actually the coding files. You can check them if you want. It would take a minute, less than a minute. Maximum, for the maximum purpose, it would take less than a minute, but it might take more time. Allow me a minute. Now, so site is published. This site is published within a minute. Okay, click on the site, and here you can see your pre-branded drag and drop website is now ready. Okay, here you can see your website is loaded, and you can scroll down. The design is pretty very good. You can add a contact page with your Gmail at the back, a captcha to secure if somebody can scan. You can score the spam here, a small footer. It is also responsive on a mobile mode. If you can continue, here you can see, allow me a second. Here you can see you have to customize this on your own. How you want to look this. Okay, this is a small hamburger menu. Okay, you can customize the site as the way you want. You can change it anytime. You can you can click on the edit site button, click on the change template button. You can change it anytime. If you're facing any issue with our services, just go to the, if you have any billing issue, just click on the billing and you can set up your billing. If you want to add fund, you don't want to renew it again and again, you can just add the fund, and when it come on the renewal date, the system will automatically renew your your renewal price is $30. If you can you add a $30 fund, $32 or $30 fund. Now when an invoice is created, the system will automatically complete your invoice, and you wouldn't have to face the termination of it. Now if you want to enroll with our affiliate program, you can also, if you want to register a domain name, you can. Now for the support, if you're facing any issue, just click on the open ticket option. You can open ticket with our customer experts. We are available for more than 20, you can say about 24 hours. We are available for 30 to 23 hours per day, but you can check here. We have for the active time, we have 23 hours of it. Okay, we have already written a good knowledge base. So you have, like, for example, if you have already a website, you can click on this open in a new tab. Then you can see how to take a backup. Then if you are facing name server issue, just go onto the name server. How to update name server at name.com, banner.com. All these are already been given. Okay, installing cPanel, control panel, mobile, other PayPal, place, security. We have written all of them. We have tried our maximum now in the WordPress. How to access WordPress admin dashboard, all these things. If you're facing any issue, head over to all of you can continue also here. You can submit your estimate here, ticket here. If you want to contact us, you can go to the contacts page. And next is, if you want to the other thing is, you want to migrate your website, click on the option button and open the ticket. Now you have to put your information here. For this account, I want this, and next you have to fill this information. Okay, so you would be able to, and our team will be migrate your website within 3 to 4 days. Okay.